It's a 2004 Nissan Presage U31. It's a Japanese import model, and I'll show you how to fix the center navigation screen, which also all the AC, air conditioning and radio and all that works through that, and that has a lot of trouble. Yeah, when your screen is going black or staying off always, or this one was turning on, turning off, and also the air conditioning, when the screen would go off, the air conditioning would turn on to maximum cold and then just be blasting away, and it was really annoying. But first thing to check, if you've got no air conditioning or no power to any of this, check under the bonnet. Just check that fuse there, make sure that's not burnt out. And the next thing to do is this, even though it doesn't work in New Zealand, this navigation drive here, a whole lot of the AC, radio and all that's all connected to this. So I had this one, I had another one I took in and they claimed they could fix it, and they found dry solder joints and fixed it, but it's actually worse. So the next thing to do is find a replacement one of them. And when you replace that, this all just you can pull this down and just pop this. You can just pop this cover out like that, pull them down, and then you can just pull this whole little cupboard thing out, and it comes off. And there should be 4 screws behind this, 4 screws here to get the navigation ROM out, and then directly above that in here there's another 2 screws which hold this thing, and this is like a screen control module, and the radio, AC and all that runs through this, and that's mounted in there like that. It's really hard to see, but it's in there. I had to take a car at the wreckers totally apart to find this thing, and that's directly above the CD-ROM. And you need to find one of these, and yeah, I think there should be a matched pair to so you need to get the navigation drive ROM and that thing above it and get them as a matched pair, and that should be the answer to all your problems, because a lot of these cars are at the wreckers because these things are bad and it virtually makes the car undrivable, and you'll have no reversing camera, no stereo, no AC. Yeah, it's really annoying, but yeah, it took me quite a while to fix that.